Can you jump? Show mommy how you jump. Wow. Do you jump high? Okay, stop. Can you say, hi, Emma?
Hi, Emma.
Say, hi, Tata.
Hi, Tata.
Say, I love you.
I love you.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Okay, now give him a big hug. Or big kiss, I mean. Big kiss. Big kiss in the camera. Big kisses. In the camera. Big ones for Amma. And big ones for Tata. Is it my Amma or my Tata?
My Tata.
Your Tata? And Arabella's Tata? What? Is Arabella mommy's or Mama's or Tata's?
Tatas.
Your Tata's? What about Arabella?
No. Nope.